Hey guys, welcome to Sugar Coated. For this video, I'll be showing you how to make two awesome milkshakes, a red velvet milkshake and a Nutella milkshake. First, I put 5 cups of vanilla ice cream with a 1/4 cup of milk in a blender. Then I add some red velvet cookies while it blends. I then put 1/2 cup of chocolate syrup in a bowl and dip the top of my glass in it to fully cover the rim, and then I pour the rest of the chocolate on top and add some sprinkles. Once I've poured the milkshake in the glass, I add whipped cream and start decorating the top. For the Nutella milkshake, I blend 5 cups of vanilla ice cream with a 1/4 cup of milk, but this time I'm adding 1/2 a small jar of Nutella, which is about 6 ounces. I then put some Nutella around the top of the glass using a spatula and add some crushed nuts. Then I pour in my milkshake, add some whipped cream, and decorate the top. Thanks for watching my video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more.